Looking to participate in the potential of India's technology sector through a single fund? Presenting ICICI Prudential Nifty IT Index Fund, a simple way to get exposure towards some of India's leading IT companies through a single fund. This sectoral index fund tracks the Nifty IT Index, which comprises of 10 companies from the Nifty 500 universe representing Indian IT sector. These companies represent the backbone of India's digital transformation from software services to emerging tech. The scheme invests in the same stock and in the same proportion as the Nifty IT Index, aiming to achieve the returns of the underlying index subject to tracking error. So why consider this scheme? It offers exposure to India's top IT companies, helping you participate in India's digital growth story. There is no need for active stock selection or constant market tracking. It has lower fund management costs compared to actively managed funds. And lastly, it can be accessed even without a demat account, offering greater ease and flexibility. So who is this scheme suitable for? This scheme is ideal for long-term investors looking to add sector-specific exposure to their portfolio and benefit from the potential growth of India's IT sector. The recommended investment horizon is 5 years and above. To sum it up, here are the key features of ICICI Prudential Nifty IT Index Fund. So if you're looking to add India's digital strength to your portfolio with efficiency and ease, ICICI Prudential Nifty IT Index Fund could be the next step in your investment journey. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.